And this morning, let's also get you the latest updates on the unlock process that's underway as COVID cases are coming down. Delhi's lifted more curbs because of the COVID tally continuing to show a downward decline in the national capital, which means that from today, the government has now allowed gyms, yoga centers, private offices to operate with 50% capacity. Weddings in banquet halls will be allowed now with 50 guests. Only 20 guests will be allowed for home and court marriages. Bars and restaurants will be allowed to open till 10 p.m. with 50% seating capacity, while malls and markets will be open between 10 a.m. and 8 p.m. Public transport services like metros, buses, they've been operating for the last few weeks. That will continue with 50% capacity. Delhi reported 89 new cases with 4 deaths on Sunday. That takes the state's active caseload to 1,568.
Yes, for people who are vaccinated, we have certain discounts. Somebody who's got for the first dose, there is certain discount. Somebody who's got both the doses, we have got a certain special discount, and they're also being given preference when they're booking their slots in the gym. So definitely we have a very special place for people who are vaccinated.
With 85 cases recorded on Saturday, the national capital witnessed the lowest single-day spike in COVID cases. Delhi government has now decided to give more relaxations. From Monday, gyms, yoga centers will be allowed to function with 50% capacity.
We have created a slot-based system where a certain number of people are only allowed to enter into the gym at a specific time. And they're only allowed to work out for 45 minutes, 15 minutes for change, and they can go back. So 60-minute slots are given to people who want to come for a workout.
Marriage halls, banquet halls, and hotels have been allowed to hold wedding ceremonies with maximum of 50 persons. The positivity rate in Delhi has dipped to 0.12%. However, cinema, theatres, spas, schools, colleges and educational institutes will continue to remain closed in Delhi. Swimming pools, entertainment and amusement parks have yet not been allowed to open. Amid dipping COVID cases, Delhi has been slowly unlocking. But Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has warned that national capital will enter into relock mode again if there is a surge in cases.
Despite all these easing in the restrictions, the social distancing, masking is going to be mandatory all the time in the public places. As we know, the third wave is now awaiting. The government doesn't want to take any chance, and so should the people. But for now, in the national capital with Ritesh, I'm Ashutosh Mishra.